Grab it. Grab it. My shoulder. Sleepy time. Get off. Sleepy time.
Tonight we're going to the Team Uninvited car meet at a local car lot. Where a lot of cars do stupid things. Just run this through the car wash real quick. I usually hand wash all my cars, but since it's her car, we'll just run it through an automatic wash. Ready, Brex? All right, we'll see you guys out there. Checked on these guys. They blew up their engine and their transmission. So they're doing all right. They're waiting for a tow truck. Stop by the kidnap chase. Take them to the car meet. Oh my. Set off the alarm. It set off the alarm. Just three-wheeled it. Hey!
Another Team Uninvited Saturday meet.
Oh!
At Hy-Vee.
This time at Hy-Vee.
Yeah, buddy.
How's the turnout so far?
You tell me. Lots full.
Lots full. Look at this freaking thing. A lot of cars out here.
A lot of cars, built a lot. They don't have a VIN number.
Cream pie?
Baby, let's go.
Go look at his license plate.
To turn it in a different. Is it better than my license plate?
Oh, it's pretty good.
That's pretty good. No, that's pretty damn good. Yeah, I'd love to know what the explanation was. Anyways, it got declined.
Damn.
So yeah, so I eat ass got declined.
I eat ass.
The second one was tongue punch. I said I'm an amateur tattoo and piercing artist. They had declined that for obscenity. So then send nudes got approved, and I still have that. That's on my truck currently.
Okay.
Cream pie got approved. I don't know how, but it's now recalled.
Being recalled. Okay, so I want to know, what does your mom think about the license?
You need to
plate?
figure out. She
how to
honestly,
do it.
dude,
That's what I want.
she understands
what
it
is
just
your
enough
mom's
to
mom?
shake her head and looked at. She literally, I was actually visiting this week. Kind of shook her head like, oh boy. I told him about Blumpkin. My dad loved it. She was indifferent. She's like, kind of like, Dan, what's that mean? And then they
My mom.
Urban Dictionary.
Like 100%. Oh, mama. We need to figure out how to wave when you.
Look at that head.
Nope, it has in transits on it.
That head's so shiny.
I know.
Noggin.
Make the noises.
Cookies.
Look, it's a sideshow. In the next few videos, you're gonna see my friends kick out someone that came to the car meet. They were speeding through the parking lot. And I mean, guys, we have kids, we got really nice cars, families, friends, everybody inside that parking lot that we love. And that's just not something we condone. And that goes for every car community. And when confronted with that conflict, he didn't take too kindly to it. He actually tried to combat all of it and fight a lot of my friends. So in these next few clips, there is some explicit language that I tried to edit out as much as I could, but here are the videos.
Kind of fat, kind of funny. We got pizza. Dude, that's cool. Don't make me have to drop my pizza.
Get the fuck out of my bag. You ain't the law, you fucking idiot.
Hey.
You ain't the law.
Hey.
You ain't the law, you fucking egghead motherfucker.
Hey.
Egghead motherfucker. I'm more bald than you, nigga. I'm more bald than you, nigga.
Gone, bro. Find a new job. You ain't
You
Put your back
I'm
home.
a fucking bald.
Why do you keep saying the N-word?
Yeah. Hey, you need some food? Hold on. I'm ready to
You're stepping on my toe. I suggest you get off my toe.
Bend over, motherfucker. Get the fuck out there.
Stop. You're bending my face
Touch
4
me,
times.
faggot.
You're bending my
Get
face.
your fucking hand
You're
off.
bending my
Get your
face.
fucking hand off.
You're bending my face 4 times.
Get your
I'm
hand
telling
off.
you.
Get your hand off.
Get off. Get out of here.
Get your hand off.
Get out of here.
Get your hand off.
Just leave. Just leave. You've made an entire scene out of it.
In my fucking balls. I don't
No. Stop saying the N-word.
Get in your
done
mouth.
with the
I can
N-word.
say whatever the fuck I want, motherfucker. Motherfucker, I can say whatever the fuck I want. Who the fuck are you? Who are you? You ain't nigga. You fucking piece of shit on the ground. That's what you are. I squish fucking cockroach.
Okay, cool.
Is my English that bad?
Kiss me, dude. Stop stepping on my toes. My fucking shoes cost more than your car. You step on my Stop. 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 Dude. Dude, stop. Somebody get this kid off me.
What's up, bud? What's up, man?
Grab him.
What's up, bud? Don't fucking
Somebody
touch me, fucker.
grab it.
Give me that
Grab him. My
motherfucker.
shoulder just dislocated.
Get the fuck off.
You're done. You're done.
Sleepy time.
Get off, man.
Sleepy time.
It's all tuckered out.
Get a one-on-one like a fucking real man. You
You get up, you're gonna leave. All we want you to do is leave. That's it.
get a one-on-one.
We're not trying to fight.
One-on-one.
No one wants to
One-on-one.
one all day, then just do it.
Who's my fucking hat? Who got my hat at? Who got my hat? Who got my hat? Who got my hat? Good? Who got my hat?
Yeah.
Who the f*** grabbed me? Who grabbed me?
Everybody.
Who grabbed me? Grab me from the back. Gang, gang, gang. No.
Okay.
Gang in the
Oh, hi. Might be the last time you meet, by the way.
It might be.
Might be the last time you meet.
I just said we're in the
basketball straight ass looking ass boy.
He can drag it all he wants, but these are already on their way.
Yep. Who's he fighting now?
What you do? What? Oh, he's coming back!
Oh shit, Walden. Hey, he heard you! Dude.
Yeah, that's making people think
Oh shit!
You turn left on that red? Yeah.
Get him! Get him!
They're on it. They're on it right there. That'd be great. Alright, appreciate it. Yep.
The team uninvited after party?
Oh, hi.
Oh, hey. Well, the car meet didn't go as planned. There were a lot of stupid people out there, but you know, what can you do? But now we're heading home, so.
Bye.